Hello my lovely students, how are you today? I just wanted to explain the solution of our homework today in this video. It's page 150. In this document we have the human skeleton. As you know, it's composed of three main parts. Three main parts, we said that they are the head, trunk, and limbs, okay? As I explained in the previous video. We have three main parts of our body: head, trunk, and limbs. In this lesson, we are going to study the bones found in each part. Okay? In the head, we have the skull. This is the head. In the head, we have the skull. This is the first part. In the second part يلي هو الترانك. trunk يعني جذع. اوكي؟ يعني هو كل شيء بجسمنا أكيد عدا الهاد واللمبس. limbs يعني الأطراف يلي هن hands and legs. Okay, so in the trunk, this is the trunk. We have the scapula, the ribs, we have the vertebral column and the pelvis. هودي هن البونز الموجودين بالترانك. Okay, the scapula يلي هي الكتف, ribs يلي هن البونز of the rib cage, vertebral column and bone of the pelvis. Okay. In the upper limbs يعني كل شيء موجود عنا بالhands. We have, this is, you know that this is the arm. The bone found in the arm is the humerus. The bone of the arm بنسميها humerus. So this is the humerus. Okay. We have two forearm bones. These are the two forearm bones. We have the wrist bone يلي هي موجودة هون. This is the wrist bone and the hand bones. Okay, so these are the bones of the upper limb. I'm going to repeat them: humerus, two forearm bones, wrist bone, and hand bones. In the lower limbs, these are the lower limbs. Okay, يعني من تحت pelvis to the foot. We have the thigh. thigh اللي هي البون اسمها thigh يعني الفخذ. We have the knee bone. We have the leg bone or two leg bones. We have the ankle bone. الأنكل هو الكاحل and the foot bones. Okay? Here you have to define the skeleton. The skeleton is the set of bones of the human body. And here you are going to write the three parts of the human skeleton: the head, the trunk, and the limbs يلي هني upper and lower limbs. Okay? In part D, you are going to place each bone of the document in the corresponding part of the body, as I explained it now. In the head, we have the skull. In the trunk, the scapula, the ribs, the pelvis bone. In the upper limb, we have the humerus, the two forearm bones, the wrist bone, and the hand bone. In the lower limb, we have thighs bone, knee bone, leg bones, ankle bones, and the foot bones. In part E, you are going to write in these boxes the name of the three groups of the skeletal bones. There is a difference between part C and E. In part C, as I told you, you are going to name the three parts of the human skeleton يلي قلنا عنهم head, trunk, and limb. But in part E, we are going to name the three groups of the skeletal bones, يعني مجموعة bones that protect the delicate parts of our body. We have the vertebral column that protects the spinal cord, the rib cage that protects the heart and lung, and we have the skull that protects the brain. Okay? In part F, you are going to give two functions of the skeleton. The skeleton is a system of protection and it's a system of support. All of you have solved it correctly. And in the last part, you have to cross the term which is false. Okay, which is wrong. يعني the skeleton is constituted of 206 bones. We have to cross out 106. The neck connects the head to the trunk. The skull protects the brain. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. The rib cage protects heart and lungs. Okay? Please watch this video carefully several times and memorize the parts of the skeleton and the bones found in each part. Okay?